Paano ba mag-register at kumuha ng SSS number online? Kung naghahanap ka ng complete guide, this video is for you.
Are you a Philippine Social Security System, or SSS, member but don't have a My.SSS account yet? Better do it now to reap the benefits of this online service facility. Know all about My.SSS and the steps to complete your SSS online registration in this quick guide. What is a My.SSS account? A My.SSS account allows you to use the My.SSS or SSS member portal, an online service platform of the SSS website that enables registered SSS members to conveniently and safely access their social security records online. Creating a My.SSS account and using the SSS online portal are both free of charge. To use this SSS online facility, all you need is a smartphone, laptop, or any device with an internet connection. That means you can transact with the SSS portal anytime and anywhere without the hassle of going to a branch, standing in long lines, and waiting for hours on end. Why do I need an SSS portal registration? The SSS portal member registration is mainly for your convenience. Completing your SSS online registration can save you a lot of time, energy, and stress because you can complete an SSS transaction in the comfort and safety of your home and even beyond the usual office hours. Who can register for an online account? The SSS encourages all members to complete their SSS online registration from the My.SSS portal. You can sign up if you belong to any of the following member categories: employees with SSS coverage, self-employed or voluntary members, overseas Filipino workers, or OFWs, unemployed spouses with at least 1 month posted SSS contribution, Kasambahay and other household employees. Employers. How can I register in SSS online? Creating an SSS account is effortless if you follow the My.SSS registration procedure correctly. But before you start, make sure that you're already an SSS member with a valid SSS number and at least 1 posted SSS contribution. Make sure to use Internet Explorer 11 as your web browser. The SSS site may not work properly with other browsers such as Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. After installing Internet Explorer 11, you can proceed with your online registration. For new SSS member registration, the first step is to fill out the Personal Record, Unified Multi-Purpose ID, or UMID, card application form, E-1 or E6, online. Once you have your SSS number, you can proceed with the steps to getting your UMID card. Step 1. Go to the SSS online registration page. Access the SSS member portal, member.sss.gov.ph/members, and click on the link at the bottom of the page that says, "Not yet registered in My.SSS?" This will take you to the online member user ID registration page that shows you 8 options. Choose one piece of information you've previously registered in SSS. 1. Savings account number, Citibank cash card, UBP quick card, UMID, ATM savings account number registered in SSS. 2. Mobile number registered in SSS. 3. UMID card. 4. Employer ID number, household employer ID number. 5. Paid payment reference number, SBR no. Payment receipt transaction number. 6. Date of the last loan. 7. Transaction number in your personal record, Unified Multi-Purpose ID, UMID, application, E1, E6, only for online SS number applicants from December 10, 2020 onward. 8. Check number of any SSS monthly pension. Step 2. Fill out the required information in the SSS online form. Make sure to leave no required field blank or incorrectly filled out. Some tips to keep in mind. If your last name and/or given name exceeds the character limit, just use the format of your name on your SSS ID or UMID card. You may contact the SSS hotline, 920-6446-55, if you don't have your ID card right now. You can leave the middle name field blank if you don't have a middle name. To input your date of birth, use the drop-down calendar to prevent an error in your SSS online registration. If you've chosen UMID card in Step 1, the online form will ask for your UMID card PIN code. Don't have the PIN code yet? You have to activate your UMID card first in the SSS information terminal at select SSS branches. Don't forget to enter the CAPTCHA code at the bottom of the page and tick the small box next to "I accept the terms of service." When you're done, double-check all information. Click the Submit button. A short message will appear to confirm the successful submission of your enrollment for SSS online registration. Click OK. Step 3. Check your email after 30 minutes. After you submit your online membership application, the SSS will validate your info against its records. If they match, you'll receive an email from web.notifications@sss.gov.ph after half an hour. The message contains an activation link and your user ID. Can't find the SSS email in your main inbox? If the email address you provided is not Yahoo Mail, example Gmail, Hotmail, etc., check your spam folder for a message from the SSS. Step 4. Activate your My.SSS account. Done with all the SSS online registration steps? Now you have to activate your SSS online account. Once you receive the email from the SSS, click on the activation link. You need to activate your SSS account immediately or for up to 5 days. Or else, the activation link will expire and you'll have to register again. Clicking on the link will direct you to a page where you'll be required to create a password and retype to confirm it. Be sure your password meets these requirements. 8 to 20 alphanumeric numbers. The first character is an alphabet. No special characters. Must be different from your user ID. When you're done, click the Submit button. If the two passwords match, you'll be taken immediately to the login page. What can members do on the My.SSS portal? After successfully logging in at the My.SSS portal login page, you'll be taken to the home page with links to 5 main pages. Member Info, Inquiry, E-Services, Payment Reference Number, or PRN, Real-Time Processing of Loans, or RTPL, PRN. From there, you can access a wide range of online services, including the following. First, check and update your SSS membership information. The Member Info page enables you to perform any of the following. View your membership records, including SSS number, address, coverage date and status, etc. Change your My.SSS account password. Update your other SSS information like contact details. Under the Member Info page, you can also see your employment history and view a table listing of your current and past employers, along with their employer ID number and your reporting dates and employment dates. Second, check your SSS contributions. Perhaps the portal's most useful feature. The inquiry page shows your benefits, contributions, eligibility, and loans info. To see your total number and amount of posted SSS contributions, click on Contributions. This section shows your monthly contributions table with all premium payments you've made since you started as an SSS member. Through the contributions table, you can also check the specific months that your employer failed to remit your SSS contributions. Third, access SSS online services. The e-services page allows access to various SSS services such as the following. A. Member data change request. You can request to update and make an online correction on your mailing address, foreign address, telephone number, mobile phone number, and/or email address. B. Loan application. Simply click on the loan you want to avail, fill out the form, and submit. Under this feature, you can apply for an SSS salary loan or calamity loan, unemployment benefit, or pension loan. C. Maternity notification. Only self-employed and voluntary SSS members who are pregnant can submit a maternity notification through the My.SSS portal. If you're an employee, file your maternity notification through your employer's authorized signatory. D. Retirement application. Are you already qualified to make a claim for SSS retirement benefits? You can apply for retirement online through the SSS portal as well. E. Funeral claim application. You can also submit funeral claim applications through the My.SSS portal. Key in all the required information and the application will be validated by the SSS. After which, you'll need to upload the required documents and then receive an email regarding your funeral benefit claim application status. F. Record request. With your SSS online account, you can request records easily and conveniently. Here are just some of the SSS member records you can request via the SSS portal. Personal record, or E1. Members Data Amendment Form, or E4. Self-employed data record, or RS1. Non-working spouse record, or Northwest 1. Flexi fund for OFW, or AW1. This section also shows the status of your previous record requests. Once you've requested your records through the SSS member portal, the SSS will send the document to your registered email address. G. Branch appointment. Other SSS transactions that can't be done online are instead scheduled through the branch appointment facility of the My.SSS portal. This feature allows you to set an appointment with your SSS servicing branch for UMID card enrollment, SSS member data change, salary loan application, calamity loan application, and filing a complaint, among many others. Fourth, generate your payment reference number. One of the main features of the My.SSS portal is the payment reference number, or PRN. This section allows voluntary and OFW members to generate a PRN for SSS contribution payments through any payment channels and facilitate the real-time posting of payments. Fifth, get SSS contact details. Having a hard time on how to use the SSS portal? You can quickly refer to the Contact Us page should you need to call the SSS. The page has all the telephone numbers in the Philippines and abroad you can call when you have questions, concerns, and comments for SSS. It's also as modern as it gets. Complete with Google Maps and scan QR code. The SSS has a Viber community that you may join to stay updated on all the news and announcements. Just scan the SSS QR code or type SSS in the Viber search box. And that's it. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you have questions or suggested topics, just leave a comment down below. Please click the subscribe and bell button so you can be updated with our latest post about personal finance. And together let's achieve lifetime financial security.